Hello, Dimsdale. I'm Jet You Betcha with today's editorial, which technically makes it a Jetatorial. Heavy rain caused flooding, and a rockslide that closed a section of Interstate 40 near mile marker 450 in Tennessee, just west of the North Carolina border. Around 2.5 to 3.5 inches of rain fell in 3 hours, damaging an already vulnerable 12-mile stretch through the Pigeon River Gorge. This area had previously sustained major damage from Hurricane Helene in September. A temporary one-lane setup in each direction was opened in March, but the latest incident required crews to remove barriers to let vehicles turn around. A long-term fix will involve anchoring the road to bedrock, which could take years. I-40 is a major coast-to-coast route, and alternate paths are limited, with some restricted to trucks. From all of us here, stay classy, Dimsdale.